Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with another unboxing video. So today I finally have the Vivo V60 Lite 5G, and guys, and this is a new high mid-range phone that we have from Vivo, and this is the little brother of the Vivo V60, and this phone also available in the 4G variant, and the 4G variant is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 SoC, while the 5G variant is powered by new MediaTek Dimensity 7360 SoC. So very interesting to see how this phone is gonna perform in my upcoming speed test. So here's the box of the Vivo V60 Lite 5G. So on the back we only says I have the black color. We have 12 GB of RAM with a 256 GB of internal storage. So let's quickly unbox the Vivo V60 Lite with my knife, and let's see what is Vivo has to offer inside the new Vivo V60 Lite 5G. I am very late for this unboxing, but anyways, once again we have a black box very similar to the previous Vivo V50 Lite 5G, and this phone also has a lot of AI features as well. So on the top we have our Vivo V60 Lite 5G in the black color. So you can see here's the black color looks like. The black color, it is more like a gray color, I would say. On the back we have a matte finish. The back it is made up of plastic, and the side it is made up of plastic. On the back we have a dual cameras. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. And the interesting thing on this Vivo V60 Lite 5G is the processor, MediaTek Dimensity 7360 SoC. So inside the box and then the phone we have our soft silicone case, which also comes in the black color with the phone. Also we have our quick start guide, warranty card stuff, and here is our 90-watt super fast charger inside the box, so which is a really good thing. And also we have our cable, USB type C to USB A cable, and lastly we have our SIM ejection tool. So first on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as our SIM tray. See, looks like we don't have any micro SD card support, so you can use only two SIMs at the same time. Two SIMs. So on the left hand side absolutely nothing. On the top we have another speaker with another microphone, volume up and volume down rocker. It is on the right hand side, as well as a power on a button. So this phone has an in-display fingerprint scanner. So let's talk about the display. So this one has a gorgeous looking 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED, which can produce up to 1 billion colors. Also we have 120 Hz refresh rate with a center punch hole on the top overall, and the forehead, even the bottom chin, even the side passes, I would say it looks really similar, really small. I would say overall this phone feels really light in the hand despite having a 6500 mAh battery size, same as the Vivo V60. And this one also has a IP68, IP69 water and dust resistance. So anyways, now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. So guys, here is the first boot of the Vivo V60 Lite. So here are the pre-installed apps we have inside the phone. So a lot of apps which is already installed. So here is the notification panel looks like, and we don't have an Origin OS on the Vivo V60 Lite 5G. We also have our gaming mode. Let's go to the display. Let's go to the settings and let's go to the about phone. So this one is running on latest Android 15. Also we have a Vivo FunTouch OS version 15. We have new MediaTek Dimensity 7360 SoC. Also we have 256 GB of internal storage out of only 229 GB it is available for you guys. So let's go to the display and let's see the refresh rate option. So we have 120 Hz refresh rate. Let's see the fingerprint scanner. We have in-display fingerprint scanner, and the fingerprint scanner works absolutely fast, no issue whatsoever, and the 120 Hz it is really smooth. So let's look at the camera. So this one has a 50 megapixel main camera on the back with no optical image separation, which is really disappointing. Also we have 8 megapixel ultra wide. On the front we have a 32 megapixel selfie camera inside the center punch hole. So here's the camera looks like. Here is the 1x, and here is the 0.6x ultra wide. Here is the video mode. So the video stabilization mode also available, and the back camera maximum shoot only 4K at 30 fps. So here is the micro movie, and here is the portrait mode, which is also available with a different focal length. Here is the night mode. So in the mode section, we also have our 50 megapixel mode and the slow motion also available, and the dual video mode also available. So now let's look at the front facing camera. So this phone has a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and the selfie camera I would say looks really sharp. Let's take one picture and now let's see the result, especially the exposure level. Yes, and the exposure level, it is automatically good after some time. Here is the portrait night mode. Here is the video mode. So the front facing camera also shows 4K, so which is a really good thing. So in the mode section and the slow motion, it is not available. Inside the camera feature, we don't have a bokeh mode. Inside the video also we don't have a OIS. So in stable mode, it is only a EIS. So now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has 6500 mAh battery size with 90 watts super fast charging. Overall, I have to say Vivo V60 Lite 5G, it is a better option as compared to the 4G variant, because the 5G variant has a much better hardware. With better hardware, you will get everything better, like the cameras. It is also really much improved on this Vivo V60 Lite 5G. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo V60 Lite 5G. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.